Hey there, I'm Kate with Cadre. Isn't it great to see new on-site projects being posted on Cadre? But I bet you're wondering how to send in your offer so that you can secure that contract. Here, I'll show you how.
To make an offer on a project, select the position or positions you are interested in and make your offer. If the client is looking for competitive offers, you will be able to enter your preferred daily rate. Otherwise, you will see a fixed, non-changeable rate which is set by the client. Click Make Offer and review the details in the slide out, which include the contract dates, location, and your daily rate. Be sure to add a short pitch to grab the client's attention. One that highlights your expertise is best. Lastly, agree to terms and conditions and any custom policies and click Submit. That's it. You've made an offer on a project in Cadre. Thanks for stopping by.